How does your business compare to your competitors? Learn how to stand out with this video right here.
Welcome to the Love of Business. I'm Crystal.
And I'm Sunshine. Let's get to it. So Crystal, what is the best way to stand out in your business?
Really good question. I get that a lot. So one of the very best absolute ways to stand out in your industry is with a unique selling proposition.
Is that a USP, Crystal?
Yes, it is. That's what it stands for, unique selling proposition.
Excellent. So USP for short.
Yes, an acronym.
So what exactly is a USP, Crystal?
Sure, let's talk about it.
Thanks.
So a unique selling proposition is a 1 to 2 sentence max statement, and it's powerful because it distinguishes you from your competitors.
So how do you use a USP, Crystal?
Yeah, so how you use a USP is once you formulate and create that 1 to 2 sentence powerful distinguisher between your competitors, you're going to put it in all of your marketing and sales processes. So for your marketing purposes, maybe you'll put it on your website on the home page or the About section. Any other marketing materials such as an e-blast, you can add it, or actual physical collateral, it's great to go there as well. But in the sales, you should put the USP in your sales consult or sales materials. Does that make sense?
I suppose it does, but how does that differ from a tagline?
Yes, the tagline. So the tagline is different from the unique selling proposition. Remember, a tagline is something that is more of a 30-second elevator pitch to make people remember you. But a tagline isn't necessarily a unique selling proposition. So sometimes you can have a USP that can be your tagline, but not all taglines are a unique selling proposition.
So Crystal, is there anything that we shouldn't include in our unique selling proposition?
Interesting question. Yes, there is. So when you're creating your unique selling proposition, a lot of business owners or businesses put in their unique selling proposition that they have the best customer service ever. Well, here's the thing. Everyone says that they have the best customer service ever, whether that's true or not. But if everyone's actually saying and marketing that, do you think that would have a positive, big impact to prospects?
Well, if everyone's doing it, Crystal, I don't see how it could be unique.
Correct. That's the absolute point. So I would say that's the number one thing that you would leave out of your USP.
That makes total sense. So to the viewers at home, what's your number one takeaway from today's video? Leave us a comment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.